Hey my lovelies, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I'm Cam, and if you're into all things beauty, I'm talking makeup, hair care, skincare, then you should definitely join the Cam fam by hitting that subscribe button down below. And make sure to hit the bell so you don't miss any videos. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Lookfantastic September Beauty Box. They very kindly sent this over to me to share with you guys, so let's open this baby up and let's check out these goodies. Okay, so I have a little pamphlet because I'm really bad with names. So the first thing is this Ameliorate Smoothing Body Exfoliant. So this is like a body lotion. I see. So it's got alpha hydroxy acids. So it's going to be very exfoliating for your body. It says it's specially formulated to combat keratosis pilaris, which is like when you have that like bumpiness on like the backs of your arms, sometimes like on the backs of my legs, like I'm starting to develop that, so hello. Oh, awesome. So it's also got lactic acid, shea butter, and coconut oil. So it says alpha hydroxy therapy on it. So that's the lactic acid. That's a type of AHA. So it's very exfoliating. It's very mild too, so you're not gonna get any stinging like that or anything, but it's just alpha hydroxy acids are really good for both exfoliating and moisturizing the skin. So this is great for anybody with like any skin texture issues on their body. I know we put a lot of stuff on our face to combat texture, but your body needs some loving too, so can't forget about that. Okay, I've never heard of this brand before. I think it's called 3INA. I'm sorry if I'm butchering that, but ooh, this is an actual, obviously full-size product. It's a liquid eyeliner. It looks like it's gonna be this nice brown color, so I'm really excited about that. And it's like a felt tip liner, so brown wings are like the trend right now. They're all the rage, and I didn't have one of these, so that's really cool because I feel like a brown wing is definitely easier to do and pull off than a black wing, and also like it just looks more natural if you just want to do like winged eyeliner to use a brown color for that. So this looks gorgeous. I'm so excited about this. And they're saying it's long lasting and smudge free. So I know I always like apply eyeliner and then kind of like keep my eye closed so it doesn't transfer. So yeah, I can't wait to test this out, but that's awesome because I feel like everyone has so many black eyeliners. We need a brown one, so that's really cool. Okay, the next item we have is this brightening sheet mask from Beauty Pro. I love getting sheet masks boxes because it's like one of those items that I never like buy for myself or go out to buy because I'm like, I'm gonna use it once and throw it away, so I don't want to spend the money on it. But whenever I get them in boxes, I'm always so excited because that's the only time I use sheet masks. So it looks like this is an anti-aging formula. It's got collagen, vitamin C, aloe vera, all very good skin ingredients. And of course the vitamin C in this is going to brighten your complexion. So I'm stoked to use this. Definitely gonna jump right into using this tonight. Okay, next up, I definitely have tried a lot of products from this brand. This is the Christoph Robin Hydrating Melting Mask with aloe vera. So this is a really nice, like, high-end hair care brand. A lot of their stuff works really well. Like, I love their scrub, and I think their scrub was in another box, actually, so definitely love getting their products. And so this is a 98% natural ingredient hair mask. It's supposed to be really moisturizing for dry, brittle hair. I mean, let's not get started with my hair right now, but this looks like aloe is like the very first ingredient, even above water, so this is going to be a really hydrating mask, and it's a pretty decent size, so I'm excited to try this out and see how hydrated, shiny, and plumped my hair gets with this. All right, next up we have the SVR Palpabrow Cream. So let me investigate this a little bit more because I'm not exactly sure. Looks like this is an eye cream. So it's for irritated eyelids. It's an anti-itching soothing cream. So if you have like itchy eyelids, anything like that, scaly eyelids, they get red, irritated, whatever, this is gonna be great for that. I actually have rosacea, so sometimes like if I bring my face like exfoliants and stuff too high up, like near my under eye, I will get a lot of irritation there. So this is gonna be great to counteract that. And it looks like it's got all the omegas plus hyaluronic acid, and it's supposed to provide 24 hours of hydration. And so it looks like this is a French brand, and they make just like amazing skincare. So very excited about this. You could also probably just use this on other spots where you have like redness or irritation. Just dab a little bit because like this sounds like a very soothing formula. So the last product, I'm like stoked by this. This is the By Terry Balm de Rose. So this is like a tube version of the original, which they have like in a jar. And I love that they did this because I actually owned the jar one before. I used it a few years ago and it like saved my lips during winter time. Like, I kid you not. And it's got the most amazing rose scent. I absolutely love it. Like, it smells like real roses because it does have like rose flower wax in it, and it's not just like some synthetic fragrance. So love this. It's so luxurious. This stuff is so expensive. My gosh, I can't wait to use this. This is like creme de la creme right here. So it's got shea butter as well and vitamin E. I'm telling you, this stuff is like so moisturizing and just so luxe, and this is like the nicest lip balm I've ever used. So I love this. I'm so excited that this is in the box. Oh my gosh, just such luxuriousness. I can't even. And I just love that this is like in a lip gloss applicator, because I have like a different lip balm right now that's in a jar, and I'm just over using jar ones. I'm sticking to only tubes from now on. So I love this. Woo, that was a good box, y'all. Oh my gosh. All right, well, that's the end of it. So if you do want to treat yourself to this box, then I do have a discount for you guys. It's going to be in the description box, and you can get your first box for $1 with a 12-month subscription. And if you guys are interested, I definitely appreciate it when you guys use my links, so thank you so much. And if you liked this video, then don't forget to hit the like button down below to help my small channel grow. And if you enjoyed this video and are wondering what you should watch next, then you might like one of these videos. And you can click on my face right here and it'll subscribe you to my channel. Alright, my loves, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.